Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature for status. You can now add songs to your WhatsApp status, just like on Instagram stories. To use this feature, simply open WhatsApp and go to the status section like you normally would. Choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one to set as your status. Once you've selected the image, you'll notice a new music icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll be able to search for a song from WhatsApp's music library. After finding the song you want, you can select a specific 15-second portion to play in your status. Once everything is set, just tap the share button to post it. When people view your status, they'll hear the song playing in the background along with the image you uploaded. This new update makes WhatsApp statuses much more expressive and fun. Whether you want to share your mood, dedicate a song to someone, or just add a cool background track to your updates, this feature gives you the perfect way to do it.